Assume, assume, assume. Meaning: to suppose something is true without proof, or to take on a responsibility. Examples: I assumed you were at home. I thought you were home but didn't check. Don't assume he knows the answer. Don't think it's true without asking. She assumed control of the company. She took responsibility for running it. Mini phrase for everyday use. Never assume, always ask. So assume is something you believe without proof, or when you take a role. It's about thinking or accepting something before being sure. Thanks for tagging along. Catch you soon. Bye.